Hello and very good morning to you guys. Thank you so much for showing so much of love for my previous video, and that's the reason that motivated me to go out again on a weekend and find a new place or new spot for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this journey with me and considering all your feedback. Today I will be talking a lot more. Yes, it is a voiceover still, but actually I did try something to fix that issue with my equipment, but it was not working out. So at the moment I only have the video footage and not the audio, and but still I'll be with you guys along this whole journey of this ride. So firstly, let's quickly get up some fuel in the bike, and then we can talk about the destination we are going to. Oh, finally we are done with refueling our bike. I've been looking at those fuel prices. I'm losing my head. It's like 95 rupees per liter is just like way too much, and it's been constantly rising a rupee or two on almost on a daily basis now. Whew. Anyways, let's talk about the destination we are going to. We are going towards Saklim. Yes, in Saklim, we are going to a place called Harwalem Waterfalls. Yeah, it's pretty much known to people, but then I guess not a lot of you guys have gone there in the rainy season when it's at its best. It looks magnificent, it looks amazing. So I really hope it's the same like how I visited it last year during the rainy season. I hope it has the same feel to it today. So yes, I mean, yeah, the reason why people do not visit these kind of places during rainy season is because of the misconception that Goa has a season, and Goa only works at or is beautiful in October, November, and December, where you can just come party, go to a beach, go to a shack, and then go home. No, it's not just that. Goa is a lot more than just party and beaches. It is a really beautiful place. It has one of the most scenic views that I've seen in states in India. I mean, I've been to Himachal and Tamil Nadu and Andhra, right? So I mean, I don't say it's like up there with Himachal, but it's really beautiful. It's not really down there as well. It's really beautiful. I'm saying this because it's not yet appreciated for that. Yes, it's been it's been called a party house, a place to buy cheap booze and everything like that, but it's just much more than that. That's literally demeaning to Goa when it just says it's a place for booze. But it's fine. I mean, this is why I'm here. I'm here to change that misconception. So that's why I'll be taking you guys to nice spots, places with a lot of beauty. And I generally try to get lost basically on purpose, so I find places like the one I had in the past, and I there are quite a few more places where I've been, which I will go again to, so I can this time record it and present it to you guys. Because it's for me, traveling is about just moving. I like things when they're moving. I'm not a person who can just sit down at home and feel relaxed. No, I just like to go out. I just like to see things move around me. So yeah, that's the kind of person I am, and that's why I am here to show you guys a lot more about Goa than you already know. So hopefully I will cover a lot of places. And yes, you can reach out to me at Instagram handle, which is popping right now in the video. And we can definitely talk more about these places, and you can let me know if you know, if you know a few more places like these, and you can definitely reach out to me for locations as of these places wherever I'm taking you guys with me on. And yes, let's connect, and hopefully I can give you the content you've been looking for. And yes, just one more thing, I ride a Interceptor 650 Orange Crush 2019 model, BS4. That's I'll talk more about my bike in some other video, because there are a lot of things I've done to it. Probably will require one whole video to talk about it. But at this moment, I think I should just take you guys to the spot, skip this road, and because there's nothing much to see in this road at least. And yes, you know the view is going to be magnificent and amazing, and I really hope you guys like it. So I am just gonna go quiet now, and I hope I've synced this well, so when I stop talking, you guys can